Hello, thanks so much for joining us today. I'm Sarah Janes from soapschool.com and we help aspiring entrepreneurs to start their own soap and cosmetics businesses. If you want to check out more about our business, just have a look at the link below and we have all of the details to link through to our business there. But for now, let's get started on this fun project. So these are just pieces that we've previously made. It's just a regular cold process swirled soap, and we were actually cutting out round circles using cookie cutters, and these are the pieces that we didn't use in that project, and we thought it would be really fun to create a new project with the leftovers because they're so pretty. There's just beautiful swirls in them. Now each of these pieces we've cut down because the design that we thought about was like a rising moon, and we thought it would be really nice to have it just gradually peeping up and then becoming a full-size circle. So we've decided for this design that we're going to use a deep purple base to it. So we're just going to be using some grape mica. And to that, we're going to add a tiny amount of activated charcoal. That's going to darken the colour up. And then we're going to mix our second colour, which is going to be a beautiful colour. This is actually called Tropical Sunset. And it's like an orangey yellow colour, literally like a sunset, like mangoes and sunset colours all mixing together. Now we have gone backwards and forwards umpteen times on what colour we should have put with our purple in this design, and we decided that we go with the classic yellow, but I would love to know what you would use as a complementary colour for this purple soap. So have a look at the design as we go through and see what colour you would have chosen to put with it. So we're just going to mix everything together now, and we're going to take this just to a light trace. And then we're going to split some of this colour off because we really do want those two separate colours.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good. something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so beautiful.
When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire.